you ever paused to wonder why, in the age teeming with resources and technology, so many remain stuck in cycles of scarcity? Why, with all the knowledge at our fingertips, do so many feel trapped in patterns of thinking that are centuries old? The answers lie hidden, woven into the very fabric of our society, our education, and our daily interactions. Today, we stand on the brink of a revelation. Beneath the visible landscape of our lives runs an intricate maze of beliefs, systems, and norms, many of which are specifically designed to keep the majority in check, while a select few enjoy unparalleled power and wealth. If this resonates or even stirs a hint of curiosity, then buckle up. We're diving deep into the matrix of the poverty mindset. Hello, I'm Todd from Infinite Growth TV, where our mission isn't merely to inform, but to provoke thought, challenge norms, and pave the way for infinite possibilities. Here, we are dedicated to shedding light on obscured truths, imparting knowledge, and providing a roadmap to empower not just your professional life, but every facet of your existence. If this resonates with your quest for more, ensure you like and subscribe to the channel. Also, hit the bell notification. This ensures you're always in sync with our latest deep dives and transformative content. Welcome. And now, let's go behind the curtain. Our journey begins in the gritty, coal-covered area of the Industrial Revolution. As factories sprouted, pumping black smoke into the skies, there was an insatiable hunger for one thing: a compliant workforce. Factories didn't need thinkers, they required doers. To meet this demand, the education system underwent a drastic transformation. Schools, once places of holistic learning, became the production lines, churning out obedient workers. Think about it. Bells signaling shifts, subjects fragmented just like factory departments, and an emphasis on rote memorization over creative thinking. The emphasis was not on nurturing the next Mozart or Einstein, but ensuring a steady stream of compliant workers for mills, mines, and assembly lines. The echoes of this transformation resonate even today. While we have moved past steam engines, the vestiges of this era persist in our classrooms. We still prioritize standardized testing over innovative thought, molding young minds to fit into predetermined boxes rather than encouraging them to break free. But why this need for conformity? Well, at the heart of it lies a psychological underpinning that has been perpetuated over generations. When individuals break the mold, they challenge the status quo, and a society built on predictability and order does not take too kindly to such disruptions. From a young age, we're told to fit in. We're rewarded for adherence and penalized for divergence. Remember that art class where you painted the sky green and the trees blue? It was your world, your canvas. Yet, you probably heard, that's not how it's supposed to be. These small corrections, though seemingly innocuous, chip away at the innate creativity and curiosity we are born with. Over time, we internalize these rules, and they silently guide our choices, pushing us towards the safe and the known. This societal playbook doesn't just determine our career choices, it seeps into personal decisions as well. Whom to marry, where to live, and even how to think. Over time, this constant nudge towards conformity seeps into our psyche, birthing a collection of consciousness that idolizes security over exploration. Language, our primary mode of communication, is not just a tool, it's a weapon and a builder, and sometimes a prison. Each word, each phrase, and idiom carries within it layers of meaning, societal expectations, and hidden directives. Consider how our daily vocabulary is rife with limitations. Don't get your hopes up. It's a dog-eat-dog world, or money doesn't grow on trees. While these sayings might seem harmless, they subtly reinforce a mindset of scarcity, competition, and limitation. These phrases, passed down from generations, influence our worldview, casting shadows of doubt and fear on our aspirations. By understanding the weight of our words, we realize that language, while being a conveyor of culture and tradition, can also be the invisible chain that binds our potential. Law, the cornerstone of civilized society, was conceived as the great equalizer, but over centuries, as legal doctrines became more intricate, they transformed into cryptic codes accessible only to a privileged few. This inscrutability of legal text created a unique power dynamic. Those in the know, lawyers, policymakers, and elites, became the gatekeepers of justice, arbiters of right and wrong. The average citizen, lacking this specialized knowledge, often found themselves at a disadvantage, further widening society gaps. By monopolizing knowledge, these elites ensured their continued dominance. Thus, the law meant to serve and protect all inadvertently perpetuated cycles of dependency and powerlessness for the masses. The implications are clear. An informed public is an empowered one. By keeping legal knowledge within a tight circle, the powerful have effectively muzzled the voice of the common man. Over time, this creates a society where only a handful dictate the narrative, while the majority remain mere spectators, often unaware of their rights and potential. The media, often termed the Fourth Estate, is supposed to be society's watchdog. Historically, it has played a pivotal role in keeping powers in check. However, in recent decades, the landscape has shifted dramatically, with corporatization and sensationalism driving content. There's a deliberate push towards creating a narrative that benefits a select few. The constant barrage of luxury lifestyles, tales of overnight successes, and impossible beauty standards foster a pervasive sense of inadequacy. This media fueled aspirations for the unattainable, keeping the masses in perpetual state of want, further embedding the lack mindset. Moreover, the selective coverage of events, the obsessive focus on scandals over substance, and the relentless chase for ratings have turned the media into an echo chamber, amplifying societal divisions and distractions, keeping the masses occupied while the elites continue their machinations behind the scenes. Every society has its cultural dance, with moves passed down through generations. These cultural codifications offer identity, continuity, and a sense of belonging. But not all steps in this dance are liberating. Some are restrictive, confining us to roles and paths defined by long-dead ancestors. A worker's son is expected to follow in his father's footsteps, regardless of his dreams. An artist's daughter might be coaxed into medicine, law, or engineering because they offer security. These societal directives, while well-meaning, often stifle potential and perpetuate cycles of unfulfillment and regret. But it's not just about professions. Cultural codifications also govern our perceptions of success, failure, ambition, and even happiness. An unchecked adherence to these silent directives results in society marching to the beat of a drum it neither chose nor enjoys. While this deep dive might paint a bleak picture, recognizing these chains is the first step to breaking them. The power of the human spirit lies in its resilience and adaptability, and every moment presents an opportunity to challenge, rethink, and rewrite our story. Here are 3 things that we can do to overcome the poverty mindset. Number 1, stay curious. Education doesn't end in a classroom. Dive into diverse subjects, question established norms, and always seek to expand your horizon. Libraries, online courses, and even travel can offer insights and perspectives that shatter preconceived notions. Step 2, speak positively. Change begins with thought, and thoughts are birthed from words. Analyze your linguistic patterns. Are they empowering or limiting? Are they empowering or limiting? Remember, Each word you utter is a brick, building the edifice of your reality. Number 3, forge meaningful connections. In an age of digital connectivity, genuine human connections are dwindling. Surround yourself with thinkers, dreamers, and doers. Let their energy rub off on you, and in turn, you be the beacon for others. Folks, as we draw the curtains on this journey, it's imperative to remember that learning is a continuous voyage. Knowledge is not just about understanding, it's about applying, questioning, and even challenging the known. At Infinite Growth TV, our mission goes beyond merely presenting information. We aim to be a beacon, guiding you through the myriad complexities of life, society, and the mind. For those of you who are hungry for more, I have some good news. Near the end of this video, you'll notice links to 2 other videos. These aren't just any videos. They are deep dives into some of the concepts we've touched on today. We delve into the intricacies, peel back the layers, and lay bare the very essence of these ideas. I urge you to watch them. Take notes, reflect, and even challenge what you learn. After all, growth isn't just about accumulation, it's about evolution. I also want to leave you with a thought. In the darkest moments, when challenges loom large and the path seems insurmountable, remember this: fate whispers to the warrior, "You cannot withstand the storm." The warrior whispers back, "I am the storm." Folks, you are warriors in your own right. The battles may vary, the arenas might differ, but the spirit remains unyielding. Every hurdle, every setback, every moment of doubt is but a whisper from fate, questioning your resolve, testing your mettle. How you respond, how you rise defines not just the battle, but the very essence of your journey. I look forward to seeing how you respond. Until our paths cross again, remember, be curious, be audacious, and always be brave. Because fate talks, but only the brave answer.